everyone, my name is Galaxii. I want to welcome all my friends to my new show called Little Nuggets. Let's go! Little Nuggets on cooking, it's my show. Little Nuggets on cooking, I should know. Little Nuggets on cooking with mommy's help. Little Nuggets on cooking, it's good for your health. Little Nuggets on cooking, the food is great. Little Nuggets on cooking, come make your plate. Little Nuggets on cooking, we all should know. Little Nuggets on cooking, welcome to my show. Hi everyone, my name is Galaxii and welcome back to Little Nuggets, the yummy place where kids cook, learn, and have super fun.
Hey little chefs!
I'm super excited because today we have another special guest. Let's see who it is. Okay, you get 3 clues to guess who it is. She's an actress who plays strong, brave characters on TV, like a lieutenant on The Last Ship. You may have seen her make everybody laugh and think. Shows like 20s and Insecure. She also tells stories with her voice as a narrator. She writes children's books. Bonus clue, and she's a mommy to 3 beautiful kittens.
Surprise! Hi!
Yay, you're here! Everybody, today's guest is amazing. She's an actress and she's also a mom of 3, a children's book author, and a narrator who brings stories to life with her voice.
That's right. I love bringing stories to life, whether I'm acting, narrating a book, or writing one. And today I'm so excited because I get to bring a delicious story to life through cooking with you. And quick, tasty digging meals are my best friend.
Same, Christina, same.
And this new recipe is definitely a page turner for your taste buds.
Today I'm making one of my favorite lunches, Coconut Curried Butternut Bowls.
And after that, we're making sweet potato pie mini cups. They're cozy and yummy, just like grandma hugs.
We'll need
I'll grab the skillet, spatula, and rice.
I'll grab the coconut milk. Oh! Straight from the secret pantry.
Step 1, saute the onions and add in the garlic and ginger.
And I'll help Galaxii with the hot pan. Right, some ginger.
I'm gonna come together. Perfect, thank you.
All right, I think we want it at like medium high. Can you actually pass me the oil, Galaxii?
Sure, sweetheart.
Perfect, thank you. Okay, do you want to try pouring in the oil?
Yes, tell me when to stop.
Okay, we're gonna do about, let's say, 2 tablespoons. Okay, I'll tell you when to stop.
I know when to stop actually, because I know what 2 tablespoons are.
Oh. Very good.
You were able to eyeball that. That's cool.
All right, so we're gonna wait till the pot gets a little hot and then we'll be able to add in the onions, okay? And when the onions are in the pan, we're gonna wait until they're a little clear, okay? After they're clear, we're gonna add the garlic and the ginger. Okay, awesome.
On my show, The Last Ship, we had to be super brave, but the real action's in the kitchen. Sautéing onions. You hear that? That sizzle? It already smells good. You smell it?
Toast the spices, a teaspoon of curry, a tablespoon of cumin, and a half teaspoon of coriander.
And I'll get the rice ready.
And I'll add 2 cups of squash, 1 can of coconut milk, a half a cup of chickpeas, and 1 cup of vegetable broth or water.
It's gonna take a little while, guys. Yep. Okay, Christina, trivia time. You have 10 seconds to name foods that are yellow.
Okay, bananas, pineapples, mango, cornbread, yellow peppers, bonus squash.
Oh.
Okay, Christina, name 3 things that are spicy but not food.
Drama.
Mm-hmm.
Gossip. And mommy doing yoga.
Okay, it's my turn. Name 3 things that moms do super fast.
Pack lunches, grab snacks, and chase after little toddlers.
Oh, good one.
I've seen Asha running around. I mean, it's like the mommy Olympics. Pack the lunches. Get them ready for bed. Shoes. Where are those shoes? There's so much stuff all of the time.
And cleaning the kitchen.
So many things.
For the 5th time that day.
Exactly.
I mean, it's like over and over and over.
Exactly.
You nailed it.
Thank you. Hey.
So now we're gonna let our curry simmer for about 10 minutes.
Okay, so while the curry simmers, this is my favorite part. It's story time. Galaxii, did you know that I don't just act, but I tell stories too?
Like a bedtime story?
Exactly like a bedtime story. I narrate books and help bring them to life with my voice. I can make characters sound happy, or sad, or scared, or even excited.
You know what? It's just like seasoning a dish. Just add the flavor to it.
Yeah.
Exactly. Yeah, she's amazing at it. She brings whole worlds to life just by talking.
Auntie Christina, what do you love most about it?
I think that I love that I get to imagine and pretend all day long as my child.
Okay, so tell us this. What's the hardest part about being an actress?
Well, right now with kids, I'd say it's memorizing lines while I'm sleepy, or when I have to pretend that it's really hot outside and it's actually freezing cold.
What do you think that's like?
That's like pretending broccoli is your favorite food. Do you tell stories to your kids too?
I do all the time. I tell them silly stories at bedtime, sometimes like about dragons who eat pancakes and broccoli and cheese. Or I'll tell them stories about trains that go up magical mountains. But sometimes, a lot of times, most of the time, I can make up stories on the spot.
I want to try that too.
You already are. Every time you cook a new recipe, you're telling a story about who you are. You're a storyteller.
Mm-hmm. And good at it.
Very.
Thank you. You guys are great parents.
Oh, thank you.
That's very sweet.
Yeah.
So, what inspired you to become an author?
My kids inspired me. I want to tell stories that make them feel curious and kind and brave. And I really want other kids, all kids, to know that they can be the heroes of their own stories.
I want to be a hero. A cooking hero.
Girl, you already are. Do you smell that curry? It is full of color and creativity and heart. Just like a good story.
Christina, what's it like being a mommy and working?
Oh, well, it is a lot of love, a lot of heart, some tears, mostly laughs. But you know what really helps? Cooking quick, easy, yummy meals like that coconut curry.
Yeah, absolutely.
And you know what? You're showing all the little nuggets that are watching that moms are superheroes too.
Do you guys smell that?
Is it?
I think our curry's almost ready. Let's go.
Now we're making sweet potato pie mini cups.
And this recipe is fast because moms do not have time for complicated desserts. And you keep your potato and your fingers a little further from the knife.
But this is the kids.
Yes, but we still want to practice safe knife skills. Let's look and see if our sweet potatoes are ready to mash. Oh yeah, they definitely are.
Oh, the smell.
So good. It's gonna be so
Let's
good.
mash them.
Let's do it. Okay. You wanna grab that side? You're gonna hold on tight, okay?
Wow, sure, mama.
Okay, I'm gonna pour it in. Do you wanna help? Do you wanna hold on? Okay.
I'm just gonna do that.
Okay, perfect. Thank you.
Woohoo! We mash the sweet potato, add cinnamon and nutmeg.
Many kisses.
Coconut, milk, vanilla, and syrup. Syrup,
Vanilla.
vanilla, Syrup. Big gentle. Hear that liquid right there?
I'll help scoop the filling into the mini cups.
Doesn't have much of the potatoes. We won't actually be able to do this one. It's gonna be a mini one.
Well, you know what I like to do?
Don't you dare lick it.
Just in case. Wait, I want to try it.
Oh, I am definitely getting in on this actually.
It is very good.
Yeah.
Very good.
Yeah. Right? That actually
Vanilla. That vanilla was the thing that said earlier. And that nutmeg. Yeah. That is delicious.
Come here, buddy. Well, be careful.
There we go.
Open the oven, please. There.
What was it talking about?
Stay there. I'm watching you. Our coconut curry bowls are ready.
I'm excited.
Right.
Ooh, you want that one? That's all you. All you. Okay. Try it. Ooh, it smells delicious.
Mm.
Wait, this is very good. It's creamy. It's warm. It's delicious. My kids, they would love this.
Yeah. What do you think, Galaxii?
Delicious, very friendly.
I am. I'm not vegan, but I would make some.
Yeah, me totally. This is definitely one of our go-tos. This is just me. But the recipe didn't call for a lot of salt.
Yeah.
I think it just needs an extra pinch, right?
A pinch of salt and pepper would really set it off.
And yeah.
I really like burger potatoes.
Yes. Just give a little kick.
Oh yeah.
Oh, Galaxii. Thank you. Yeah. A magic pinch of salt.
Magic pinch.
Our dessert is ready. Let's try.
Okay, that's good. I'm so excited. Galaxii. This is sweet potato pie for real. So good. Fast, vegan, delicious. What do you think? Heavenly? Does it have you speechless? What? I didn't think that was possible.
It's good. Wow, that was so much fun. We made a yummy curry. We made sweet potato mini pies. Learned about acting. And learned about being a mom.
I always say, whether I'm on a show, in a movie, or right here with you, Galaxii, every good story starts with imagination. And every good meal starts with trying something new.
That's right, and today was a whole adventure full of food, flavor, learning, and lots of giggles.
Yeah, that was so much fun, guys. So much fun.
You know, always remember to add love to every recipe.
That's the secret ingredient.
Oh, yay!
Before you go, here's a little nuggets check.
Make your own sweet potato mini pie or coconut curry bowl at home.
But ask a grandma to help you.
Definitely.
Because it's very dangerous. Not dangerous, but you know, the hot pots.
True.
You can't make it by yourself.
And if you do, make sure you take a picture or a video. Did you make yours extra spicy or tiny or just very sweet? We'd love to hear about it.
Tag Galaxii Jean on YouTube and Instagram and tag us so that we can see what you've made.
And don't forget to use #LittleNuggets.
We can't wait to see what you cook next, Little Nuggets.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell us what's cooking next.